Veo3 has the best lip sync in the entire AI video creator space. Period. No other AI tools come close. And I've used Kling AI, I've used Runway, I've used Pixelverse. None of them come close to Veo3. And that is because Veo3 movements lip sync are so realistic, from the voice to the movement. It just feels so realistic. I mean, take a look at this example now. This video was generated by Veo3.
We trust each other. We believe in this. Or we don't survive.
Then we have another video. This one was generated by Kling AI.
Just make sure it doesn't override us, who I beg.
And then this one generated by Pixelverse.
If I can just reroute the power flow through this conduit, maybe then the shields will stabilize.
Now look at those three videos realistically, and tell me which one of them looks more human. It's the Veo3.
We trust each other. We believe in this. Or we don't survive.
But then Veo3 has one simple limitation. And I think that's what doesn't allow people to know its capabilities. There's no consistency. That means that unlike Kling AI and Pixelverse and Runway, where you can bring in your own external voiceover for consistency, you can't do that in Veo3. But then there's a way around it. I call it my own arc. So in this video, we are going to be showing you my workflow in how I get consistent lip syncing with Veo3. You've never heard of this before anywhere. Stay tuned. Veo3 gives you great lip sync, but voice options are limited. You can't use an external voice directly. So if you want a character to keep the same voice across multiple videos, it just doesn't work. And that kills continuity. Whether you are making a story,
So much.
an ad, or even a YouTube series.
Even the finest things can't fill a void.
Consistency has to be there. So, and that is where Veo3 gets it wrong. And I think that is a problem with Google that they are going to rectify in their upcoming update of Veo. My solution is simple. I let Veo3 generate the animation with lip sync, even if it's using a random built-in voice. So I go to ChatGPT, I get my prompts, and when you're doing a Veo3 prompt, you make sure that what you want the Veo3 should say should be inside the prompt. So here's an example on the screen. So what I want the Veo3 to say is in the columns. So then I take the prompt, I take the prompt to Veo3, and I generate my animation with it. So now the animation is generating. So here is the result.
Welcome to this awesome tutorial. Here you are gonna be your best version.
You can see how realistic and smooth the voice is, but this is just a random voice and we need consistency of voice. So I take the same voice track and I take it to the ElevenLabs voice changer. So when you take it to the ElevenLabs voice changer, you're going to select your 11 multilingual for this process. So I take it to when I'm here now. So I'm going to select a voice, a specific voice that I want for this. So here's the specific voice. So now I already swapped the original voice with what I want, the clone voice. As you can see, so that's the clone voice.
Welcome to this awesome tutorial. Here you are gonna be your best version.
Then now I'm going to take the voice and the original video with the original voice, and now my own voice that I want, that I got from ElevenLabs. So I'm going to take it to CapCut. So here in the CapCut, I'm going to separate my audio from the original voice, and I separate the audio and I delete the audio. Then I'm going to put the voice from ElevenLabs. That is the voice that I got from ElevenLabs with the voice changer. I'm going to lay it on the original video. Now here is the result.
Welcome to this awesome tutorial. Here you are gonna be your best version.
But you can see how smooth the voice is, and they are in sync. It's not as if the mouth is moving faster than the voice and the voice is moving faster than the mouth. They are in sync, and it still keeps the video. So now the video is smooth and is very realistic. The voicing is realistic. Can you even look at this video and say it's AI? I mean, I can't. That is the power of Veo3 mouth lip syncing. That it kills every other competitor in that aspect. I can vouch for that. In the lip sync I've said, Veo3 is the boss. Now I want this character to speak, to say another thing with the same voice we got from ElevenLabs. So now I'm going to go back to Veo3. I'm going to edit what the character said in the text box. So now we have changed the dialogue. So we download, and then we take it back to ElevenLabs. So now, still using the same character that we used for the previous generation, we use the voice changer, and then we change everything. Now, this is our voice.
Thank you for this day. Thank you for giving me a listening ear. We meet next time.
Now we take the video again, then we go back to CapCut. We extract the audio from the video, then we replace it with the generation from ElevenLabs. You can see still the same voice, still the same character. So you can see the consistency. So let's play the full video now.
Welcome to this awesome tutorial. Here you are gonna be your best version. Thank you for this day. Thank you for giving me a listening ear. We meet next time.
So you can see the consistency of the voice, and you can see how smooth the voice is. So yes. So even though here's the magic of Veo3, even though I swap the voice, the mouth movements still match because Veo3 already handled the lip sync animation. So this is how you get a Hollywood level consistency with AI video, all thanks to Veo3. For me, this was really a game changer for me because I really didn't like the way the other tools were lip syncing for me, and I just tried to find a way around it, and I got myself to this, which it can be stressful, you know, doing all those processes, but to me it's worth it. I mean, you are sticking to quality instead of this other tools that lip sync and the mouth looks so AI-ish that is so obvious that it's AI. But Veo3 is just out of this world. The physics and the movement and the reaction, the facial expression of the character is just on point to me. Google really killed it with that one. So you see, Veo3 still has the best lip sync in the entire AI video space. So, and until Google allows us to upload our own voices, that workaround with ElevenLabs is still your best bet. So it's simple. Animate with Veo3 and voice swap with ElevenLabs. Now, your characters just don't look real, they sound real consistently. So if this helped you, hit the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel Lazy AI Side Hustles for more smart workflow, because the future of storytelling isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter with AI. Till next time.